I've been trying to log into Last Epoch for 2 hours. It's fucked, apparently. Alright, it's Nightingale time, I guess. Solo, God help me. Wait. Someone said the servers are actually getting better for Last Epoch. Do I just sit there and wait? I'll tell you, we can get on. Fuck. Okay, well, that's the thing. It's like, if I start this game, I'm not playing anything else. This is an investment game, as is Last Epoch. I'm not gonna bounce between those two games, right? So maybe I play something that isn't going to be fucking me? Yeah, I'm playing this, fuck it. Adjust brightness, accept. New profile. Okay. Whoa. Those are some fucking eyebrows, damn. Jeez. This guy's got eyebrows too. Can I like actually... I guess I just gotta pick a face. I don't know. Those are some lips. Everyone here is fucking hideous. All right, age. It's a pretty good age. It looks like such a douchebag. All right, voice. All right, ancestry. Academic, statesperson, tradesperson, hermit, a reclusive eccentric choosing the lonesome wilderness over the bustling city. You worked on the land. An officer. A petty criminal with few prospects in life, often on the wrong side of the law. Vagrant. Okay, I'm gonna go hermit. Lineage. What the fuck? Select parent. Okay. That doesn't make sense. It makes sense. We work it. Inheritance. I don't really know which way I'm going here. They're all the same. Step 2. People say I'm adopted, but I don't believe them. Ah, Jesus Christ, actual flashbang. Scar's creation is under development. Oh, wow. Same with tattoos. Oh, now I actually get to customize this shit. Okay. Head. Forehead. Oh no. Oh no. As soon as they allow me to do this, I just make it look hideous because I can't make it look good. Ugh. Bro, he's looking into my soul right now. Ah! Okay. It's actually hurting my eyes looking at this guy. Jesus. What the fuck? Ah. Oh god. Hang on. All right, nice.
Dentist sucks, man. Hope you get to feeling better. Had all my shit removed 2 years ago and have full implants now, but the process was not fun.
Implants with your fucking teeth? Okay. Eyelash root color. All right, I think I'm good. Wait, actually. Hair. I definitely can do a different hairstyle now. That's not bad. Ooh, that's pretty good. We're just bald. But like, what hair colors could I do? Oh yeah, see what I'm saying? Like having hair could be a play. Oh, matches my eyes. That's perfect. All right. I don't know. Karen Ace. It's Drader. I'm ready.
Before time itself, the realms have existed. Born of curiosity, we opened the first gateway to our endless Feywilds. The Fey have long since aided men in harnessing that which we live and breathe. Magic. Tolerance was known until your grasp extended reach. Greed, in the face of power, saw your world caught in ruin. And out flowed the Pale, swallowing all in its path. Some fled its ever-spreading tongue, seeking refuge in Nightingale, only to be severed from assistance as the pathway between realms collapsed. But perhaps not all is lost.
That me?
For Nightingale still stands, pushing forward towards progress and enlightenment, humanity's final beacon. Your path thither is winding and full of terror's nascent realm walker. Wilt thou succumb to Fey lands beyond thy wit? Or wilt thou endure, find the way homeward and rebuild anew?
Okay. You need to rest periodically once you are exhausted your maximum stamina. Okay. Unknown realm, continue journey, I guess.
Let my words steer your steps.
Oh, thank God I'm first person. Holy fuck. Having to look at myself from the back would have been miserable.
How now, fleshling? Whither wander you, lost in our Feywilds?
Damn, I'm fucking F5'd out of my mind.
Show haste, human. Quickly, before those bound fiends sniff out your despair. Shadows abound, yet like a fire's final embers, you refuse to be snuffed out.
Okay.
I come with an offer to guide you to a safer realm, and rebuke death, unlike so many of your kin. Take these bloodstained cards, play them, and let amiable bond be drawn between Fey and fleshling. Give me your hands, that we may be hurry yonder. Travel to the...
Okay, travel, venture into the Forest Bay realm. And he gave me cards, but I don't know how to use them. Neat. Oh, open Karm Reld Machine. Okay, he did. Okay, biome card. Play this card to seek a realm lush with forest. Okay. And a major card. Play this card to seek a realm with lush... Wait, no. Play this card to seek a small transient realm due to wild exist to serve pathways between larger realms. Okay. So I put those in. Is there like a lever I gotta pull? No? Do I open this door? It's not a door. I can't see anything. Holy fuck. You didn't put them in properly? Of course. It is a door.
Fly.
Yeah, I'll fuck with this a little bit, but God, I really was in last epoch mindset today. I was ready to fucking ARPG it the fuck up. It's gonna be hard. Realm cards. Yeah, I'm debating just playing that shit offline, unironically. Hello.
Count thyself among the fortunate few who manage to flee the Pale's noxious proliferation. Nightingale still stands, but Earth teeters on the brink, and these wilds are far from hospitable. Sequestered so and struck by woe begs the question, wilt thou be a survivor? The gift I promised should aid thy cause. A hermetic guidebook and pocket watch, purloined off the corpse of a realm walker. Keep these like close companions. With the man-made network sundered, entrust me to find the trail forward through these byway realms. In the interim, I hear your stomach snarling. Take reprieve from misery and gorge yourself
DUI's
with a
better.
feast fit for a fleshling. Preserve yourself, and I shall return. Under this mask, you wonder. I am Puck. Robin to some. Oberon.
All right. Yeah, I just remember seeing the trailer. Like the biggest turnoff, as stupid as it sounds, was the fact the health bar was that stupid globe. I know Diablo loves it, and I think Last Epoch has that dumb globe too, but I don't like that shit. I'm a health bar kind of guy. All right, acquire some raw berries. Done. You can hold small items like food and torches in your offhand. Press F to use your equipped offhand item. Okay. I assume I just ate those berries. I did. They last 5 minutes. Eating food replenishes hunger. If you, okay. Gather what you can from the environment in order to build a campfire. Rocks, sticks, and 5 raw berries. Okay, so... Excuse me, guys. I just need to collect things. Can I collect that? Okay. Nice. Well, the sticks is very easy. Now I need rocks. Ooh, is that a rock pile? Nice. Done. Now I need berries. But I'll collect that shit too. Damn. Damn. That's a lot of e-spamming. Okay. I need more berries. One more set. Build a campfire. You will learn schematics you can use to place and construct buildings objects. Open your guidebook and go to the building tab. Okay, B, building tab. Crafting. Campfire. Place. Structures like the campfire can be used to cook, refine, or craft items. Workbenches and other stations in Nightingale have multiple interaction points. Interact with the fire pit area of the campfire to manage fuel and flame. After igniting the campfire, interact with the cooking pot. Okay, got it. Well, how do I... Okay, we're going to remove that. Craft item. Or add fuel. Sticks. Ignite. Okay, craft. Roasted berries. Fuck is this? Roasted berries. 5. Craft. Collect items. You may open your inventory and manage your equipped items and backpack contents. Tab. Where are my roasted berries? It's rocks. Those are Did I not collect them? Yeah, fuck. On my action bar? Oh. Yeah, fuck. Okay, 6. Okay, I ate them. This is fucking weird. Alright.
You've avoided embarrassment by staving off starvation. From the lingering scent, your meal was no summer court banquet. But at least you persist. We must carry the poor.
Okay, through the forest byway. I guess I spam E on everything as I run. This looks like a portal of some sort. Okay, go into the desert realm. Okay, biome, desert card. I guess I put that on. Open portal. Fix the size of your camera. Yeah. Okay, return to Puck. Hello.
Summer runs through my being as blood runs through yours. Yet I've seen that dew.
Fuck this. I'm last epoching. Just not in the mood. I'll play offline.